Welcome to the in front of me INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So we have here the INFINIX original charger brick, the micro USB cable. This is the SIM jack tool. Also I have here the warranty card and the quick start guide. And also we have here the this protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.